All right, this is the Unit 3 or Module 3, however you want to call it, test review. Let's just start burning through this. Is it possible to construct a triangle with the given side lengths? Remember, the two shorter sides have to be greater than, like the short plus the middle side has to be bigger than the longest side. Okay, so no matter what order we put them in, you grab the two smallers. 30 plus, not 30, 30, zoom in. 30 plus 60 equals 90. 90 is not bigger than the last one, so the answer to the first one is no. The same thing here, the two smaller ones are 35 and 120, which don't think just because it's the first two, we may have put the 35 as the third one. You gotta grab the smallest ones, the two smaller ones. So 120 plus 35 equals 155, right? 3, 4, 5, yeah, 155. And that is bigger than 125, so yes, the second one can make a triangle. Okay, oh, I guess it needs to zoom out, yeah. If the three sides of a triangle are 14 and 6, and something we don't know, what is the range of possible values for x? Okay, remember if we add them, 14 plus 6, we get the max, that gives us our max. If we subtract them, 14 minus 6, that gives us our minimum, our min. Okay, so 14 plus 6 is 20, 14 minus 6 is 8, therefore x needs to be between 8 and 20. All right, and this literally does mean 8 is less than x, and x is less than 20, therefore x is between those two numbers. Okay, and we're not using the or equal to because it can't be equal to them, it has to be between them. But anyways, that's your final answer. So basically, if we give you something like a range, if we said, hey, which one of these works, and we give you like 7, 8, 12, 20, and 45, well, this one's too big, this one's also too big because it can't be that, this one's too small because it can't be the 8, and that one's too small. The only possibility is the 12, okay? So if they're asking you which one of these is a possibility, well, do this and figure out what your range is. All right, let's keep rolling. I take it this is just solve for C. Yep, that's what that's got to be. Solve for C. It doesn't really say it, but that's what it is. Okay, so remember, three angles in a triangle add up to 180. Okay, so we'll take C plus 10, C plus 10, plus 12C plus 48, 12, there we go, C plus 48, plus 3C minus 6 equals 180. All right, let's combine our terms. I'm going to zoom in so I can see a little better. That's 1, 13, 16 C's. 10, 58 minus 6 is 52, plus 52 equals 180. All right, I'll subtract the 52 over. So minus 52, 16C has to equal, my head hurts, 128? I'll still do it, I got a headache, sorry. Stop it, 180 minus 52, yep, is 128. 128 divided by C, divided by 16. In this case, C, I'm going to guess is 18. Oh, no, 8, not 18, 8. So C has to equal 8. All right. And I know I probably walked into the other two. Yeah, I got room. So I'm going to go. And there we go. All right, the next two. Oh, we have an exterior angle. Okay, so here's what I want you to do. Exterior angle, mark your exterior angles, circle your two opposites. That's the pattern. Exterior angle equals the sum of the two opposites. So 6x plus 60, 6x plus 60 equals 4x plus 23 plus 3x plus 28. 3x plus, scoot it over, 28. All right, clean it up and start going. So I got 6x plus 60 equals 4, 5, 6, 7 x's, 23 plus 28, 31, 51? Yeah, seems like an odd number to do. All right, and then we'll subtract. Let's move the 6x over this way. So subtract 6x and I'll subtract 50. That should be a 51, right? 23 plus 28. That's 11, 2, 3, 1. Yeah, that's a 5, so it's a 50. That should be a 51, which means I subtract a 51. 65 minus 51 is 9. Therefore, x equals 9. I know I had to fix that, but hey. There you go. All right, and if we asked you for, from there, if we asked you for this angle right here, just plug in the 9 for x and solve is all you got to do. All right, but that's all your exterior angles. This guy, solve for x. All right, we have a 30-60 right triangle, so we're going to put in our ratios. So it's a 2, your shortest is a 1, your longer leg is a root 3. Remember, root 3 is like 1.7, so this is smaller than 2. Those are your ratios. And we'll do outside over in. Basically, distance over ratio, distance over ratio. So x over 1 equals 10 over 2. Oh gosh, we really almost don't have to do any math. X equals 5. Doing a lot of, how long is this video? 6.5 minutes. I'll finish with this one. All right, 45, 45. Okay, so 45, 45 triangle. Remember, that is a root 2 for your hypotenuse and your 1. Those are your ratios for this one. So we got x over 1 equals 6 over root 2. X over 1 equals 6 over root 2. And we got to rationalize that denominator. So we'll multiply by root 2 over root 2. That will equal 6 root 2 over 2. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. So your final answer is 3 root 2. Cool. I know that was kind of fast and furious, but I don't want to waste your time if you kind of get it. You can always pause and rewind. All right, let's go.